Hi, welcome to this new home experiment. Today in this video we will show you how to make homemade yogurt. So get ready to learn how to use bacteria to turn normal milk into tasty yogurt. There are various types of yogurt available, ranging from runny thin yogurt to the thicker Greek type. But how is yogurt made and why do we need bacteria for this? Yogurt is made through a process called fermentation, in which microorganisms such as bacteria digest sugar into acid, alcohol or gas. And when bacteria are added to warm milk, they will digest the lactose and the sugar inside the milk into acid. The resulting lactic acid then makes the proteins in the milk clot so that it forms a gelatinous substance, which we then call yogurt. You can either use pasteurized milk from the supermarket or even fresh milk directly from a farmer. In the latter case, you will have to heat up the milk to 72 degrees so that all harmful bacteria and fungi are destroyed. Depending, for example, on the temperature at which you add the bacteria to the milk, the yogurt will have a different taste and texture. And this is what you need. You need 1 liter of pasteurized and unskimmed milk or fresh milk from a farmer for better taste. You need 60 milliliters of organic yogurt, which serves as your start culture, a glass jar with a lid, a heat source, so a cooker or a stove, a large pan, a spatula, something to keep the jar warm, so I would recommend a large blanket or a sleeping bag, and if you have one you can use a cooking thermometer. The first step is to heat the milk in a large pan. So for a thick yogurt, heat it until approximately 44 degrees. And if you want to have a rather thin yogurt, heat it until about 34 degrees. When the milk reaches the correct temperature, you can add the yogurt as your starter culture. Stir well to avoid clotting. Then you pour the mixture into the clean jar and close it with the lid. Do this quickly to prevent heat loss. Next, you quickly wrap the jar in a large blanket or sleeping bag to keep it warm for about 12 to 24 hours. How long you keep the jar warm will influence the consistency of the yogurt. Then you incubate the jar in the fridge for about 12 hours to increase the thickness. After 12 hours, the yogurt is chilled and ready to eat. Many factors will influence your end result, including the fat percentage of the milk, the temperature, the kind of bacteria used, as well as the time and acidity. You can measure the temperature with a thermometer and adjust the heating time. You can also check the acidity using a pH meter. Maybe we will post a video soon on how to make your own pH strip, so stay tuned and check out our other Geneducation and home experiment videos on YouTube as well. And thank you for watching.